7 probiotic-rich foods to enhance your gut health. Join me as I take on the challenge of trying 7 different probiotic-rich foods in one day to see how they boost my gut health. Want to supercharge your gut health and unlock a stronger immune system? Discover the 7 probiotic-rich foods that can help you do just that. From fermented favorites to surprising sources, we're counting down the top foods to add to your diet for a happier gut. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or simply feel more balanced, these probiotic-packed foods are the perfect place to start. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and learn how to harness the power of probiotics to transform your health from the inside out. How much of your immune system is influenced by your gut microbiome? A significant portion of your immune system is influenced by your gut microbiome. Estimates suggest that about 70 to 80% of your immune cells are located in or associated with the gut. The microbiome helps educate and regulate immune responses, supports the development of immune tissues, and influences how your body responds to pathogens and other antigens. Probiotics. Probiotics are live beneficial microorganisms, mainly bacteria and yeasts, that when consumed in adequate amounts, confer health benefits to the host, particularly for gut health. They help maintain a balanced gut microbiome, support digestion, enhance immune function, and may even improve mental well-being. As we explore the foods that promote a healthy gut, you'll see many that naturally contain or support the growth of these friendly microbes, emphasizing their importance in maintaining overall health and well-being. Common gut health issues. Digestive problems includes bloating, gas, diarrhea, and constipation caused by imbalanced gut bacteria or poor digestion. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, a chronic condition leading to abdominal pain, bloating, and changes in bowel habits. Inflammation. Conditions like inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, involve inflammation of the gut lining, often linked to microbiome imbalances. Leaky gut. Increased intestinal permeability allowing toxins and pathogens to enter the bloodstream, often associated with poor diet or stress. Frequent infections. Recurrent gastrointestinal infections may indicate a weakened or imbalanced microbiome. Why probiotic-rich foods are important. They help restore and maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. They support digestion and nutrient absorption. They can reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of certain digestive issues. They strengthen the immune system by promoting a resilient gut microbiome. Incorporating probiotic foods can be a natural way to address these issues and improve overall gut health. The 7 probiotic-rich foods. Yogurt. Description: made from fermented milk with live cultures such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Benefits: promotes healthy digestion, improves lactose digestion, and enhances immune function. Gut health impact: helps restore beneficial bacteria balance, reducing diarrhea and constipation. 2. Kefir. Description: a fermented dairy drink with a thinner consistency than yogurt, containing a diverse community of probiotics. Benefits: supports digestion, fights off harmful bacteria, and might improve symptoms of lactose intolerance. Gut health impact: increases microbial diversity and strengthens the gut barrier. 3. Sauerkraut. Description: fermented cabbage with natural probiotics produced during fermentation. Benefits: rich in fiber, antioxidants, and beneficial bacteria, aids digestion and reduces inflammation. Gut health impact: enhances gut flora diversity and improves intestinal function. 4. Kimchi. Description: spicy Korean fermented vegetables, typically cabbage and radishes, fermented with lactic acid bacteria. Benefits: supports immune health, reduces inflammation, and provides a variety of beneficial microbes. Gut health impact: promotes beneficial bacteria growth and can alleviate digestive discomfort. 5. Kombucha. Description: fermented tea beverage containing probiotics, organic acids, and antioxidants. Benefits: may improve digestion, support liver health, and boost immunity. Gut health impact: introduces probiotics and promotes a balanced gut microbiome. 6. Tempeh. Description: fermented soybean product with a firm texture, rich in probiotics and protein. Benefits: supports gut bacteria diversity, aids digestion, and provides plant-based protein. Gut health impact: helps maintain a healthy microbiome, supporting digestive health and nutrient absorption. 7. Miso. Description: Japanese fermented soybean paste, often used in soups and sauces. Benefits: contains probiotics that improve digestion and antioxidant compounds that reduce inflammation. Gut health impact: enhances beneficial bacteria, supports immune health, and can help with gut lining repair. A surprising fact is that kimchi not only provides probiotics but also contains prebiotics, fiber-rich ingredients that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This synergy of probiotics and prebiotics in kimchi makes it a powerful food for supporting gut health, potentially transforming how we think about fermented foods. Instead of just adding beneficial microbes, kimchi actively nourishes the existing bacteria, leading to a more resilient and diverse gut microbiome. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your diet offers several key benefits for gut health. Restores and maintains a balanced gut microbiome. Improves digestion and nutrient absorption. Reduces bloating, gas, and digestive discomfort. supports immune function by strengthening gut barrier health. Reduces inflammation and may alleviate symptoms of gut-related conditions. Enhances overall well-being by promoting a resilient and diverse microbiome. Overall, these foods can be a natural, delicious way to improve your digestive health and boost your immune system. I'd love to hear about your experiences with adding probiotic-rich foods to your diet. Have they made a difference for your gut health? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. And if you're interested in more ways to eat healthy and support your overall wellness, be sure to check out our other video on healthy eating tips. Your journey to better health starts with small, tasty changes. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post something new. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any suggestions for future videos.